Hi, I'm Alba, I'm a software engineer at YouTube, and today I'm going to tell you about 5 things I wish I knew about computer science when I was at school. First one is that you don't have to be a math genius to study computer science. And I know some of you might be thinking, oh no, I'm horrible at math, I could never study computer science. But guess what? Math is only one part of computer science. And even if you're not a math whiz, there are plenty of resources that can help you learn the math that you need for computer science, which might not be the same to what you're doing at a school right now and you don't like. For example, I'm horrible at mental math, and I'm going to tell you something. Right now, I don't even remember all of the multiplication charts. Second is that it's not all about coding. A lot of people imagine software engineers coding all day without doing anything else. And coding is a big part of software engineering, but it's not the only thing. In university, you can learn things like computer architecture, which are how the physical pieces are built and how they are put together to allow computers to do all the computations that they do and then do all the other things that they do. You can learn about computer vision or how to structure data. For example, at YouTube, we have a big amount of videos that we have to be able to organize. So when someone does a query to search for a video, we are able to provide them relevant results. And later, when you're at work, it's not everyday coding. There is a lot of time that you spend talking with people, meeting with people, and coming up with new ideas. Third thing is that you get to be creative. Computer science is also about creativity. It's about coming up with new ideas, designing new solutions, and building things that didn't exist before. Fourth is that you will solve problems that matter. Computer science is a lot about solving problems, but it's not any type of problem. It's not the problems that you might have at math, at school, or any other subject. You could work on developing new medical treatments, or how to make transportation more efficient, or help solve climate change. So the possibilities are endless. For example, for me, when I was at university, I worked for a startup that was working on creating apps for hospitals to help doctors decide treatment for patients. And right now I'm at YouTube, so completely different things. 5 is that you'll never get bored. And what I mean with that is not that if you study computer science or if you work as a software engineer, you'll never get bored ever in your life. I don't think that's possible, at least not for me. I get bored of things quite quickly. But what I mean is that since this field is evolving so quickly, there are always new things to learn and there are always new problems to solve. So if you get stuck in something that you don't like, you're working in a field that doesn't appeal to you, there are probably a lot of other options that you would enjoy, where you could learn and apply new techniques. For example, in the last few years, we have seen a lot of exciting ideas using AI, like these image generators or audio generators, but who knows what would be the new exciting thing in a few years. So these are the 5 things I wish I knew about computer science when I was younger, because me personally, I didn't know what computer science was about. I didn't know what type of things you could do, and I was lucky enough that I had some people close to me and I could see all the cool stuff that they were doing, because otherwise I would have never considered doing this as a degree. So I hope this was helpful to you and it could help you understand a little bit better what this field is about.